Okay, let me just say this is gonna be really stupid, so if you're planning on ever wanting to live with yourself again, don't watch this video. La 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 la.
Oh my gosh, look, it's a castle. Let's go steal all your stuff.
Okay.
Yeah! La 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 la. Oh my gosh, he's falling. Oh, he's okay. La 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 la.
Inside the castle.
La 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 la.
Oh my gosh, we're inside a castle.
Oh my gosh, there's a snake.
Really? Where?
Oh my, oh my gosh. I'm okay. Leave this casa. No. No. I want to settle it. Get off me! Ah! Okay, let's go. La 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 la. Oh my gosh, there's like a dark potion down there. Are you okay?
Hi, my name's Carl.
Hi, Carl.
I'm here to kill you.
Can I have like $50?
No. Ah!
Wow! Here's like $50 down here. Yeah, I'm rich. Come on, boys. No.
And I told you this was gonna be stupid.
La 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 la.